Everyone says network is net worth. Well, what if I told you we have cracked a code that turns that saying from a cute little motivational quote into an absolute money printing machine? Imagine sending 10 connection requests and getting 7 meetings booked. Not leads, not maybes, actual confirmed meetings with decision makers who actually want to talk to you. Since January 2025, we have done something that some people consider an impossible task. While everyone else is getting ghosted on LinkedIn, struggling to get single response, we've booked 550 plus meetings just via LinkedIn. And no, we didn't spend 20 hours a day doing manual outreach. We didn't hire a team of 10 VAs. We didn't spend a single dollar on ads. What I'm about to show you isn't another how to network tutorial. This is a step by step blueprint that transformed our LinkedIn network into a meeting booking weapon. And the next few minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain on exactly how we did it. Alright, let's deep dive into multiple account strategy, and I mean deep. So let's start with the psychology behind the multiple accounts. Now, most people think of LinkedIn as a single lane highway, one profile, one approach. But we treat it as a multi lane superway highway for opportunities. Here's the science behind it. LinkedIn algorithm is complex, right? To survive the LinkedIn algorithm, you need to diversify. Why diversify? Because diversification reduces risk and increases exposure. Just like investors diversify their portfolio, we are diversifying our networking approach. Now, let me break down the 4 strategic account personas that will become your networking arsenal. Number 1, the industry expert account. These are thought leaders and high level connections. So we have some thought leaders in our team. The second is the network connector account. Now these are cross industry professionals, event organizers, community managers. We have them in our team. Number 3, the curious researcher account. Now these are subject matter expert professionals. They are niche professionals. They just know how to do one thing very good. The fourth account is the business development persona. These are decision makers, potential clients basically. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is this legit? Yes. Each account is a real person with genuine professional credentials. We don't use dummy accounts. We don't share fake information. We provide genuine value in every interaction. What are the key advantages you ask of this? Number 1, increased visibility across different professional segments. Second, ability to approach the same network from multiple angles. Number 3, reduced risk of being ignored or blocked. Number 4, ability to test and optimize different networking approaches. Alright, we're about to enter the technical part of setting up your LinkedIn profile and managing it. Before a deep dive into it, I want to convey one critical principle that I followed or that we followed is that believability is your ultimate currency, because belief comes from trust and trust comes from your LinkedIn profile. So you have to optimize your LinkedIn profile so that people can believe in you. Now let's go to my profile and I'll show you other examples also how we build trust and how we make people believe, right? So the first part is to get your LinkedIn profile, banner, headline, and a profile picture in order, right? So the thumb rule is get a good headshot. You can see mine. It's not that great, but it's okay. Then we have Anushka's from my team. She has a very good headshot. Then we have Vajahat, solid one, right? And the next part is getting your banner right. So Vajahat has a more different banner style than what we have, but he conveys the same message that we have. That's about booking 10 to 30 B2B meetings every month just via LinkedIn. So that's the core message that we want to spread, that we want to share across our target audience. It's same across everyone. Same in mine, same in Anushka's. Next we have the headline. The headline is also same, right? Cool. Check it out for yourself. Then we have the button, right? The button has to redirect them to where you want your target audience to go. In our case, we ask them to click here to take our free trial of our tool. So you can see this for yourself. Try sales about 14 days, try sales about 14 days, try sales about 14 days, right? The next part is fixing your about section. We have similar same sections. It talks about the main pain point, which is not getting meetings via LinkedIn or not getting meetings via LinkedIn cold outreach. So that's what we target here, right? You can check mine also, right? You're reading this because your LinkedIn isn't delivering meetings. Similarly, we have Bajaj. You probably felt it, sending messages after message on LinkedIn only to be met with silence, right? Same. Then we have a feature section. So we do it in two ways. One is you add your most viral LinkedIn post plus the actions that you want people to do. So we have one is join community and try free trial. Then we have second method is just do the actions, right? Don't add your viral post. Cool. These are two methods. Then you have to write content, you have to share content, be very active on LinkedIn, right? Help in any way you can, right? Help your target audience in any way you can. That's the strategy. We all do post content very much, like very heavy. We post about 10 to 12 LinkedIn content across the whole team, and we're planning to scale it more, right? So that's the thing. Next part is fix your experience section, right? Education, licensing, certificates, skills. If you have endorsements, good. Then the last part is recommendations. You need to get good recommendations. So I've got my recommendation from these two guys only, but yeah, you can check their recommendations. It's from other team members also. Shai, then you have Anushka's probably more than sure. She's also got good recommendations. So that's the idea behind setting up your LinkedIn profile. Once that's done, what you need to do next is you need to create, like, add your LinkedIn account to a cold outreach tool like SalesRobot, as well as on a platform where your team members can also access your LinkedIn account, which is multi-login. So I'll show you this in the next section. So as I mentioned, we have two different tools. Number one is multi-login, where we have uploaded all of our team members' LinkedIn account there. So let's say if I want to post on LinkedIn but I'm not available, someone else from my team can post on my behalf only if I haven't scheduled on LinkedIn, right? That's the strategy. And this is, we've done it for every team member that we have that's posting on LinkedIn, or her or his account is being used for LinkedIn outreach, right? The second tool is SalesRobot. So SalesRobot is a safe LinkedIn automation tool, and here we have also added every team member's account that we have in here. Note, both the tools will have same proxy, right? To keep it out of LinkedIn's radar, so that your account don't get banned. Now let's go to the strategies, right? So let's say this is a woman news account. What we do is, since we post a lot of content, we scrape the comments on those LinkedIn posts, and we reach out to those guys and send our playbooks and everything. So this is, you can see one of our campaigns, right? This is about till April 17th, and then we have a campaign where we reach out to them saying that, I'm reaching out on behalf of my colleague XYZ, and here's the playbook that you asked for. Then we ask them a question out of curiosity: are you doing any LinkedIn outreach? And yeah, that's the game. So that's the only message that we send them, maybe of 2 or 3 follow-ups, but yeah, that's it. Alright, so what I'm showing you right now is basically the inbox of SalesRobot, where we are running AI agent back and forth for our campaigns. So let's take a look at some of the profiles, right? So let's take this one, right? So this is the guy who's already a user of SalesRobot. The AI sent him a message, right, just to know how his experience has been with SalesRobot, and he said, great, can't complain, great support, right? So AI has a brain of its own. Let's see if we can find another interesting conversations. So this is the one, right? This was sent from Ashwini's account, right? So this guy Sohan replied, "Hi Ashwini, thanks for sharing the playbooks. I've started with LinkedIn outreach. I've been more of a cold email person, but thought of LinkedIn of exploring LinkedIn as well, right?" So the AI agent, being very quick, replied to him, said, "Nice. How's LinkedIn working compared to your cold email efforts so far? Right? The learning curve can be different, but Bajaj's been crushing with some unique approachability." So then Sohan replied, "I'm getting leads, but not able to take it forward to meetings and close deals." Right? And he's again replied, "What's the fee to join this Slack community?" Right? So this is a great approach, right? We've got our potential customers as well as we get a chance to grow our community as well. So it's just the overview, but if you want to get an in-depth video, you can check the comment section. Thank you so much. If you want to go deeper, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can access all of my playbooks I mentioned in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you soon.